Welcome to the Real-Time Technology Solutions video series. This video is an introduction to the Rational Performance Tester user interface called the Workbench. The Workbench is made up of views located to the left and bottom of the workbench, and an editor area. Views allow you to view project assets. For example, the Test Navigator view shows test assets you directly work with, such as tests, schedules, and data pools. In the case of web-based testing, the protocol data view allows you to see each request and response broken down into its constituent parts, such as the request, the response header, and the response content. We will learn more about these views and others as we progress through this course. The editor area will display a specialized editor depending upon the test asset you are currently working with. For example, this is the test editor for working with automated test scripts. To the left are the test contents. Here we can see each of the pages that were requested during the recording of the order item transaction. To the right are the test element details. Depending upon which element is selected in the test contents, its detail information and settings are displayed and can be modified. This is the editor for setting up a test schedule. To the left are the schedule contents and shows the hierarchy of the test run, including all of the user groups, tests, looping, etc. To the right are the schedule element details, so depending upon the schedule content element selected, you can modify its properties. There are a number of global options for running a multi-user test scenario. For example, you can set up a load profile and have users increase and decrease through the course of a test run. The user think times, which are the delays between user requests, can be modified as well. You can set up resource monitoring to record performance data for the application being tested. We will learn more about these schedule options as we progress through this course. The collection of views currently being displayed and the editor area is called a perspective. This is the default perspective for performance testing and is called the performance test perspective. If you open, close, or change the position of any of the views, RPT will remember the changes. The perspective you are currently viewing and the perspectives you have open are displayed on the right side of the toolbar. If you want to view a currently open perspective, you can click on its name or on the open perspective icon and choose from the list. Finally, you can open or view a perspective from the main menu by clicking on Window, Open Perspective. Let's talk a little more about views. To open a view that is currently not displayed, you can choose Window, Show View from the main menu. I'm going to select the Navigator View. The Navigator View is similar to the Test Navigator View in that it is a hierarchical view of test assets. The difference is that the Test Navigator View shows assets you can directly work with, and the Navigator View shows all assets, including supporting files. For example, after recording a test, you can directly work with the test itself, or regenerate the test from the rec session. But behind the scenes, there's actually a third file that was created that is associated with the recording, but you cannot directly work with it. You can move views by dragging and dropping it in its new location, like this. Finally, there is a Fast View toolbar located in the lower left of the workbench. Select any view to open it. When you click away from the view, it collapses back down to the Fast View toolbar.